You take your off a thing or turn. It's turning. Yeah. It's on you now. Let me see your phone now. There it is. Right here. Click in there. Guys, we're back. I'm not seeing nobody. The phone overeats because it was in the sun. Oh.
And the place is warm.
Yeah, because the phone was in the sun, it overeated, so we have to move it to the shade. Yeah. Keep me on. Yeah. Okay. Right. We're back. Welcome back, guys. I can't see how many of you watching us.
Go around here because it's following me.
It's following you? Okay. Yeah. You don't want to follow you? Why? You have a problem with it and follow
it's
you?
Yours. It's your life.
It's my life?
Yeah, it's your life. I'm just a guest.
You're a guest? Okay, guest. We have guest speaker here, Mike. Yeah.
Guest, not guest speaker.
Okay. Yeah, now it's better. Yeah, guys, welcome back. It's the phone overeats, yeah, because it's in the sun, so that's why. I don't even remember which part when we did that talk about. You remember?
Start over.
Start over what? Wanna tell me what me that say? What me that talk about? How me there work for the phone? This thing is annoying. It kept coming up. What the hell? It's always there. Oh, when I get it from floor phone. No. I can't see no comment. Okay, sir. Oh, you're back. Thank you guys for coming back. It's addicted to you, Mike. Love you. Not love me.
Maybe when I just switched it on, it was me.
Yes, it's addicted to you. Yeah. So now say good now, right? Yes, they must say good now. I guess.
Yeah, you know
but comment, but the comment then now move. That's the thing. Comment now move. I was talking about your journey in life and referring to the snow. Oh yeah. No, I was just talking about how I look at life. Stop it. Life is just full of all these roads that everybody have to take. And some of the road, you can see the beginning, I like everybody road, right? Some of them smooth surface, some rocks. The one them with the rocks, you have slippery rocks on there, so you have to focus on your road. Yeah? But a lot of people, what they do, they look at somebody else's smooth road and they get distracted. And I say, why for my road I have all them rocks in there? But them not understand that maybe further up ahead there are some great and amazing things. Only if them stay focused and climb them rocks there and don't step on the slippery one them and drop off. You know, a lot of people focus on the people them smooth, other people smooth road, not knowing what is up ahead on them smooth road there. You understand? So instead of focusing on their own journey, maybe you have some rocks, maybe you will slip and you will fall, but get up and continue to climb. Yeah? Some of we will spend too much time of focus from other people's road, not knowing that there are amazing things up ahead on our road. Yeah, because everybody have their own individual journey in life. Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Enjoy kings and queens after so. Exactly. Because some people get up and they see your glory and they really don't know your story. You understand? They don't. They don't know what it takes to get you to where you are. They just see the now, but they don't see the then. You know? Back then. Once you have a clean heart, yes, once you trust God, once you stay focused, once you're genuine, be genuinely happy for people. That is my message this morning. Don't ever fake it. Be genuinely happy for people. Yes. Let your own self be your own competition. It doesn't mean that other people can't motivate you, but be your own competition. Try to be better than you were last year. Yeah? Try to be better than you were last month. Be your own competition. Of course, there are healthy competitions in life. Yes. Vanilla and I could get up and say, okay, let's compete. Let's see which one of we first can buy something. All right? For example, let's see which one of we first can purchase. We two will love one car. Let's see which one of we first can purchase that car. That's a good competition. Because at the end of the day, even if Vanilla beat me to buying that car, what she helped me do is save towards buying it. So that's great competition. You can't lose either way in a competition like that. Right? Yes. But don't compete with people when there is no benefits for your life, to improve your life. You understand? And there's not unless you're in a sports. Yeah? And life is not a sprint. You understand? Yeah. Just know that you have to have a clean heart. Because sometimes we look and we see some people and we say, oh, them evil, but them life looks so great and amazing. Temporary. Temporary. When you have God in your life, when you're actually a good person, when you actually want good things for people, when you don't mind seeing others have more than you, happiness, that's where true happiness comes in. Happiness comes from within and then it exudes. You understand? Congratulate people and mean it, not because it's just a word. Be really happy. I'm really happy for my friends. Yes, ma'am. And for other people. Stranger women I know. Yes. Because no matter how much you have, there's somebody else that's going to have more than you. Yes. And it's not always things that make you happy. It's not things that makes me happy. It's who I'm with. Yeah? Yeah. I'm my only competition in life. I'm my only competition. That's it. Only competition. Because I'm the queen over my life. God gave me my life because He trusts me with it. And not trust nobody else with it. Else than me that give to them. entrust me with it, so give it to me. Yes. And I will forever be kind, and I will forever have a clean heart towards people. Doesn't matter if they don't have it towards me, because there's an unseen eye, and God know your thoughts. Even though we can't see what you think, God see what you think. And Him know if it's not pure. Come and trust Him with everything. And Him never fail me. Never fail me. Never fail me. Seven Natural, what a go on. Me hear say Auntie did up on the live earlier. I didn't see her. Big up yourself, Auntie. Big up yourself. When I tell her, I say big up. I never did see her because I couldn't see the comments. Because the phone did overeat. Yeah? Big up yourself. Every time. Vanilla tell me so that she was on the live. Because Vanilla called to ask me what happened with the phone. She said, you never see Auntie on the live. I said, I said nothing. The phone just went out. Yeah. People can't tell me who to love either. You understand? If I see good in somebody, I love to see kindness towards people. I love to see kindness towards people. And my friends, them that are on here, Jennifer Goodin, big up yourself, can tell you it's no pretending when we come on social media. What you see is what you get. The only time I pretend when I come on social media when I masturbate, because I'm acting. But in real life, I love people. I love to see when people are happy. I love to make people happy. I love vulnerability. Oh, what's the word?
Vulnerable.
Vulnerability.
Vulnerable.
Yes, when somebody can be vulnerable and come to you with the truth. You know, I prefer someone come to me with the truth, needing help. And if I can help them, I help them. Other than somebody suffer when I could help them along the way. But they have to be honest, right? Miss Lothian! I caught Miss Lothian. This, what did she say? This is so beautiful. Thank you, Miss Lothian. And you know what would make it more beautiful, Miss Lothian? If me have one of your fried fish in a dish, and some of your Barbie fried chicken. You know how beautiful it is, eh? Look, so yeah, it's delicious. It is delicious, but me not say it because I think I'm ungrateful. I'm not ungrateful. I don't know, so I just love my kind of my food. Not enough fulfill me like my country food. I enjoy other culture food still, you know, but you know, like during our Easter time, you know, my mind depend like you fry fish and then things there. I need a trip like this for my birthday. Miss Lotion said, I need help. I need a trip like this for my birthday. Where you want to go, Miss Lotion, for your birthday? You know, if you'll get that in a New York second, if you're really serious, because you're one amazing lady. I love how humble you are and kind. No matter how people act a fool, Miss Lawton is the one to say, just let them be, you know, just, oh God, she's really like that. Such a humble lady. I love listening to her story too and her journey, because you know, when you're coming from the country, we're similar, poor poor girls from the country of Jamaica. Me used to walk barefoot. And me still love walk barefoot up until today. Everywhere me go, me take off my slippers or my shoes. The first time I go 99, I take off my slippers. Chocolate and vanilla. Yes, that's what she says. Miss Lawton, you're a queen. You're so motivating. I wish I had known you years ago when I just needed your story to motivate me. Social media newsroom. Wish I had known you like 20, 26, 27 years ago. Yes, but I had to motivate myself through a lot of things. Yeah. Yeah. What she said? Pretty lady. Thank you, social media newsroom. It's the blessings of God, alright? I want my heart to be pretty. I don't care about the outer part. What's my heart? So when people curse me about looks, that don't mean nothing to me. Absolutely nothing. Vanilla, in my comment I big up everybody. Thank you, Vanilla, because at least you're there to catch the things that I don't see. Happy Easter. It's chocolate and vanilla BFF. Same to you. Oh. Thank you for loving us. Thank you so much. You guys didn't have to. There are bugs everywhere because you know so hot. There's a party leg right here. Bugs everywhere. That's the only thing, and I don't like bugs.
What is this?
Are you full?
Almost.
I am too. I can't eat because I'm on live.
Yeah, I noticed that.
And you ate up everything.
Yeah.
While I'm talking.
Not everything.
Mostly. Dimes Million, how are you, Queen? How you doing? Come say hi to Dimes. I've met her husband.
Yeah.
Yeah, you'll meet Dimes one day. Say hi to Dimes. Say, Dimes.
Dimes, what's up?
How you doing? Say, how you doing?
How you doing, Dimes? Bless up yourself.
You see? Oh my God. Yeah. Margaret Isaac. It's another queen right there. Say hi. I didn't let you say hi to Miss Lothian.
Miss Lothian, Margaret, enough love.
Enough love to you, beautiful people. Enough love. I just wanted to do my breakfast with you guys. I'm laughing because I'm telling him what to say, and he's here repeating after me like, him know I'm crazy wife. Him know I'm crazy wife. Yeah. With Margaret laughing too. They're laughing because I'm telling you. Let me see if it'll move. It's move. Let me move. Let me see if it'll follow me. Yeah, it is following me. Okay. It's following me. It's moody though. It's moody as hell. Let me go up because I want to see the comment. But when I go up,
They're going to the side.
it goes to the side, yeah.
But it's still see.
But Marlene, Mike don't eat and talk.
Exactly.
What are you trying to say, Marlene? I shouldn't eat and talk. Then you're not just going to watch me just eat and
No,
not
not
say
you.
anything.
No, you can eat and talk. I mean,
Yeah.
you're doing the live.
Oh. I thought she's my friend, guys.
Remember,
So
I'm a
she's
guest.
trying to say I have no manners.
No, she's not.
Yes. When
No.
I come to Jamaica, I now look for you again, Marlene. Uh-huh.
No, she's not.
No, that's what she's
You're
trying
running
to
the
say.
live, so you have to talk.
Why you eat all my banana toast?
I didn't ask for you.
But it wasn't for you. Why you always eat my stuff
What's that?
and never want to eat
I only
yours?
eat half.
You don't have the same problem, the
Only half
ladies.
for you.
With the husband, him always want eat my stuff, and him place him own order, and him no want eat fiend food. Huh? Always want up in the mind.
Carrot looks good.
Was that your carrot
You didn't
juice?
even drink the tea.
It's too hot.
Too cold down.
Let me go up so I can see the comments. Yes, Mike, eat and have fun, and that food. Beaches? What do you mean beaches? Well, always take his own. Yeah, me will dip in a field, but him actually eat my
Exactly.
food. Cause me always I get the better food.
Talking like you don't eat mine.
But because me always I get the better food. Go ahead. Yeah, like Dime say. Yeah. Him like my food better. Everything about me like better. I only food in a day. I can't manage. Everything me I just want to eat this up.
Come on.
Well, take your man out the gutter.
Come
I
on.
didn't say anything. I didn't say anything. Your mind is going to the gutter now. I'm talking about food.
Okay.
You over here are indulging in all that stuff that from me order.
Try this.
Is it good? That's really
Yeah,
good.
that's
Yeah,
stuff from banana and all that.
yeah, that's good. I placed the order for that. You know that. And why
Yeah,
you
and
feeding
that's
it to
why
me
I'm
like
feeding.
it's yours?
See, that's why I'm feeding it to you, because you placed the order. It's yours.
But I can
So open
eat
your
my
mouth.
own food.
Open your mouth.
I could eat my own food is because you want to eat my food.
Come on. There you go.
Now what's on me turn baby?
But you don't want like granddaughter.
No, me no granddaughter. I'm old. Can feed myself. But okay, I want to eat all my something. No, you already finished it. Why you giving me the
No, that's
spoon?
from right there.
You want that? I want a little bit, you like.
There you go. Right there in the corner. And there's your drink.
Why you showing it to me? You want to taste my drinks?
Yeah.
See me no.
You don't want that.
Nah.
That's too cold now.
Oh, this is so good. It's ginger, cucumber, and what? Pineapple.
Yeah. Good?
You left me one croissant. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. How many was in there? Like 5?
That's what I do. I leave stuff for you. I don't eat it all. I'm always thinking about you. See?
One. You put me one.
It was only 2 and I take 1.
It's not the 2. It was like 5.
2, I took 1
You're crazy like.
and then
Fuck.
1 for you. And I took the smallest one.
You left me the smallest
No,
one.
I took the smallest one and left you the big one. You want to try that?
No, you can have that. Yeah. You full?
Yeah,
Okay.
pretty much.
Why you left me sausage? You know like how you shape?
Nah. Bad man, I eat sausage.
I can't manage. We're not long I watch them crazy people, yeah? No, sir.
You want the fruits or you want to leave it for later?
Yeah, we're bringing the fruit. Yeah,
You want
I'm
water?
full. I'm full.
Full stuff?
So,
Thanksgiving turkey style stuff? Alright. I guess that's it then.
yeah.
Until lunchtime. Or maybe until dinner.
I don't know if I can do lunch.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Maybe until dinner because I'm so full.
Just remember we have a whole bunch of snacks to make.
Yeah.
Let me watch it. Let me see what it is. Let me see comment now. Mike is, oh my God, Dimes. He's hilarious. Yeah. In out of control. He's out of control. Apparently, I first year seen on live with me. Out of control. Yeah. Everybody love me. Mike, they love him more than me. I don't know why.
Oh, they don't.
Yes, they do.
No,
They
don't.
always love you more than me. You always come there. Always. All my friends them love off Mike. I think they love Mike more than me. All the one damn vanilla.
No.
Vanilla and Marlene and Colette. All my family love him more than me. I think. I think so.
You think?
I think so.
Yeah, but because you think that doesn't
When I bring him on my family, it's all
Understand.
Mike.
that don't necessarily mean to that's true.
Well, my foot down.
Might think that way.
Let's see, we have our match in one, we have our matching shots. Okay? They want me put on swimsuit. But me put on matching shots like him. Look. Yeah, matching shots. I him buy damn shots to me. That boy to we have matching shots. After me have the band.
Matching
Me have
shots
the
and black
band.
duck.
You hear me have black? And I have bad suit. No, I could put on matching shots.
Yeah.
You think they are twins?
What's that say? Twin.
Where have you been? Nobody knows you like I do. Nobody knows
I don't know the song.
you were made for me. And you were made for me. Yes, me.
Made for
What am I put that in for now?
Breakfast gone.
If I have to swing my left way. Why?
Breakfast is too crazy, gone.
Twins, where have you been? Why you have to hold me up here, sir? Round the waist. You're a damn freak. Where you? And
The only way shot you can
you see
move.
people are
You
watching.
can secure you so you don't fall.
Yeah. Where have you been? Broke.
Ah, it's cold. Breakfast is supposed to eat that. Breakfast is supposed to eat. I was supposed to dance.
Dance after breakfast. Dance. What in Cali? What in? I'm going up ahead. No, the tango.
Tango?
Yeah. The tango.
Tango.
Let her go over here. Yeah, come over ahead. And go. You have to do it fast. This one. 2, 3. And then you hold up your cheek and walk with the part. Why? Let's sit down here and watch the madness. Don't spoil Mike. Me? Him spoil me.
Yes, she spoiled me.
Okay, Saint. Saint Mike.
Yes, she's Saint Michael.
Saint Michael what?
Yes.
You ain't no saint. You see what me I tell you, everybody always come and want take Fiend side. Why me a spoil him? You want make him fool, you know, you hear? And go like him, and I'm Mr. Innocent. Yeah, I him take my virginity, me never take Fiend. So who now? Who for side on the depot now? Yeah. Yeah. Him sure as hell never run from me on we wedding night. And me run from him. And my mother have to come to my hotel, come talk to me. Yeah. So who now? Mother have to come at Oceana Hotel, come pull me aside and talk to me. Say, your husband, you need to sleep with him. And way before that, me think what it would be like, you know, I couldn't wait. I'm the queen that me talk to. What about she and I? Yeah. Way before that, me picture what it would be like, you know. And when wedding night come, afraid. My mother have to come my hotel pan her way back to America. Pan Aga Airport. Come talk to me. Yeah. Yes. And look for we now, 32 years later. Yeah. Thank you, Dime. So are you. So are you. Me run from him, Margaret. My mother have to come there, me shame, embarrass, you see. You know what it's like for your mother have to come tell you what you're supposed to do. That, I'll never forget that. Yeah. And him call her and say me no want to sleep in the same room. Don't go touch me. Me I tell by you, you call. You did Annie and couldn't wait for the little virgin. You call my mother. Yeah. Call up my mother. She have to top her airport, Margaret. She have, no, not airport. She have to top her Oceana Hotel. That's where we spend our honeymoon. We ain't no damn money for Ghana resort. Alright, down at Oceana. We have money for Ghana resort. Rotted. I think that was like the second time me ever going to a hotel. A time. And you swear, me did swear me make it. Cause me there hotel, Oceana Hotel, fought. Me didn't know say you have places like Hess Hotel and Mount Palace. If my chest couldn't reach on the place there, me didn't know some places like that they exist, me love. Right down at Oceana Hotel, them me love. And not even sweet with one bed or two bed. In there. And me run go up on the next bed. So him say, where you go? Me say, that two bed in here now. One for me, one for you. He said, but we husband and wife, we supposed to sleep together. Yes, somebody ring the bell.
Must be cleaning.
Oh, I clean him. Yeah, make him clean now. Tell him come back later. Please, yeah. No, me I tell him the real deal. Nah, sugarcoat nothing. Marie's store, and I laugh. Trust me, me did think say I had most beautiful hotel that in Jamaica. Cause that's the only place we could afford for honeymoon. The tan there. 2 bed in her room. One time we're going there with the suitcase. Me just take, me say, on my bed that over there, so let me see all bed them in set like this. One towards the door and one towards the window. Me take the one towards the door because me say if anything me can run. You understand? And he said, where you do our honeymoon night? Oh, you figure over on one bed and me fit up on the other one. So I said, why they have 2 beds in here? That mean one for you, one for me. Next day, same thing happened. Gone over on the next bed. He take up the phone and call my mother to backside. Before you know it, my mother that and my sister that pull up at Oceana Hotel for conference. We have family conference with me for my honeymoon. And I got tell me say I need to sleep on the same bed with my husband. Me say why? Them say because that's what wife and husband supposed to do. I say you have to do. Me say do. Me not ready for do. I'm saying but you the honeymoon, a part of honeymoon that. Me say what? Me not ready for do. My mother said, well, your husband need do in. And this is a part of being a wife now. You got to do. Said, Jesus, give me strength. Me need an instant divorce, not this. Yeah. So me say, all right, tonight when me decide, say, all right, we'll just try to do thing. I said first we have to go get some drinks. That time I'm not drinking, guys, but I just need something to help me through it. The prayers them that take long for me to give me comfort. So I say we could order drinks. I could go downstairs. I say slow as I drink. Yo, I drink slow. I say when me done, me say, boy, me can't drink no more. When me go use the excuse? Mr. Man, the whole time going on that elevator going back up. Me forgot which floor we in the pan, but me know we have to take elevator. Mr. Man, all of a sudden the elevator go really fast. I said, Jesus, why we never just take the stairs? Then when we reach up there now, I say I need to take a shower. We shower for before we go downstairs to have drinks. I say it's hot. I need to shower again. I go in there and I sit down in that bathroom there. And he come knock and he say, maybe if you don't join you for shower. I say no. Not join me. I don't need nobody to join me. I sit down at the bathtub there for the longest before I turn out at the shower. And for dry off and for go back in the room. Jesus, Lord have mercy, God, all this for me. And it finally happened. And I was like, that shit ain't what it's cracked up to be. And him said, the more you do it, the better it'll become. I'm gonna feel shame. We feel shame. Like somebody, violate me. A few more after that, and it was addiction. Mr. No, sir. What? I saw this if you go. Mr. Watch and read, you know, man. One from the move. Mr. Okay. Alright. Yes, baby. Let's get it on. Let me start go back here now and visit. I can't wait for plane land. Let's get it on. Woo! Sugar. Night can't come fast enough when I land. Because when have we one place, you know, we stay. I'm at the yard, you know, them times. So I have to wait for night. Yeah, I lock up the door, everybody go know, so don't go on. Night couldn't fall fast enough. Me count down when me reach in a day. Say yes. At 6 o'clock. At soon 10 o'clock for bedtime. 9, 10. We're early. We're got bed early. Early. Oh my God. Yes, story time. It's a story time. So some people here say me make a talk since me I'm 14. Yes, but he respected me. And I told him if he couldn't wait for me, it won't happen. He said I'll wait forever and a day. Yes. And he waited, but he didn't want to wait after he marriage, me I tell you. He didn't want to wait for the honeymoon. Then put on the ring. He didn't want to wait no more. Yes. And that was it. And so it was written. Yeah, man. And I leave Jamaica when I was 16 and go back and married at 18. Mother said I have to wait till me at least 18. Wanna laugh. Story sweet or not. If you never did it in a real, that time it was sweet or not, yeah? Because I didn't have no sense. Yeah. Go in a hotel and put for me just mark my territory. 1 bed, me say 2 bed, me say awesome. Great, how great thou art. Think me no escape. How great thou art. Karen Blair, enough love. Wanna big up on yourself, you hear? Big up on yourself. Me and Mike have an appointment for guy spa. So we are going to go dry off now and go down there. We just get a facial and a massage. How many kids? One daughter. One daughter. 1 DAUGHTER and 1 granddaughter. Love of our lives. It is so what? It is so real of you both have each other. Oh yes. What? Mike was making sure he got the virgin smart. Oh my God, his sister and brother, they're friends of our family, very, very close friends. And his sister loved me like a mother. She's older than him. She used to take care of my brother and I. So she used to be at our house a lot, you know, because my mom, especially when my mom went to the United States, she was like the person that comes and do stuff for me and my younger brother. And she loves me. She love me, and she loved me for Mike. So she always sing that, my brother, he gets a virgin, a great girl. Yeah. She always said that. Why didn't you care? I wish I could. I would have bring all of you guys. Yeah. I wish. It's nice here. It's very nice and the people are very nice. I was gonna come on live last night because I went to one of their cultural festival thing. They had people dancing with fire and stuff. But it started raining. It was an outdoor event. It started raining and they had to pack it up. But it was beautiful. I wish I had thought about coming live before the rain actually started falling. Yeah. So you guys have a wonderful Saturday night, and if I don't see you guys again until I get back home, have a wonderful Easter Sunday. You having fun?
Huh? Yeah.
You having fun?
Did I get some sun?
Oh yeah, you need
Some vitamin D, I mean.
Mm-hmm.
Something good one.
Yes. Hello, blessings to you, Miss Laurel. What Marlene said, make cry. I'm not sure what he said, Marlene. Trying to read. Mike cried when you were migrating. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. His mom told me.
I did.
Yes, you did. Your mom told me you cried, and you told me that too. You cried like a baby.
No,
yes,
man.
you did. That's how about man not cry.
Bad man nah cry.
What do you mean bad man not cry? Lie. Ball.
Bad man no ball.
A lie. He ball like a baby. And not talk to nobody for the rest of the day, remember?
Yeah,
it did rough, huh?
That one.
Yeah.
Especially look at your house.
Yeah, because you used to come to my house so often.
When we go there, you know, did it just...
Can we stop this thing from moving so I can turn it to see, for them to see both of us? Because it's annoying. It's turning without. Alright, thank you. So annoying. Alright. Yes, in ball. You remember one time we were leaving, I was leaving Jamaica.
I just shed a few things. Yeah, me I just water it.
Yeah, I didn't water.
Yeah, I just water it.
Yeah. But you remember this song we were singing? That time they have the waving gallery.
Wherever you
And
go,
now I'm on my, yeah. And it always say, wherever you go, whatever you do, I will be right here waiting for you.
You say, I'll come right back to you.
And me say, I'll come right back to you. Yeah, we change up the people them song.
Yeah, and tear down that waving gallery. That waving gallery was something else.
When you look and see me go up on the plane.
You know when people are going and just watch them go up on the step and go up on the plane and watch. Start there until the plane gone. Turn a little dot.
Oh, your arms. Your poor little arms.
And then you have to turn.
And you said, when me ever come on the
Turn and
plane.
go back down the stairs and...
But you went to England before you come to US. So you did have plane experience. Because he was in the army back home, guys. Yeah. Oh, what them I say? It come and stuck. So annoying. You cried. Oh my God, my cry got all the way to New York. Because that's where I came from. Yes, I cried all the way to New York. The first time I was leaving Jamaica.
Every time you cry?
Yeah, I used to cry every time. Yeah, every time. Yeah. I used to cry all the time. Yeah?
You were the cry baby.
I was a crybaby. I guess you love the crybaby. Yeah. And enough people say we need our last, though. Yeah. So in a 6 month time, she can find one man a foreign because she nice and pretty. And time them in maga, you know man, cut shred. Breeze could have blown me away. You remember when you used to give me enough jockey back?
Breeze could have blown you.
Breeze could have blown me away with my bag at the backside. Marvel, Lawrence, pick up yourself. Blessings to you, Queen Chocolate, and your husband. Enjoy your nice clean So, thank you very much, Queen.
Enough respect, Marvin.
Yes, enough respect. Marie Stewart. So, so
Marie
sweet.
know the whole
You
story.
both was meant to be. Yeah, man, what would God join together, you know? You both look nice together. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. Well, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon, all right? I'll talk to you guys soon.
Chocolate will talk to you guys soon.
Say bye, Mike.
Enough love. Bless you all. Have a wonderful rest of the night and the weekend.
Yes. And we're going to church tomorrow. Easter. A lot of people going to church tomorrow. Easter Sunday.
Yeah.
Tomorrow for them. It's Sunday for us
Sunday
now.
for us.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. I see you back in the state. This is the end of me coming live. Yes. It's we're gonna do things now. Enjoy the few more days we have here.
Yeah, the rest of the trip is us.
Yeah, it's just us.
This time.
This time?
Because you said it before.
I said it before that.
Yeah.
And thank you for giving me a little bit extra with my peeps.
Yeah, so
Because
this,
I know how selfish you are.
so this is it.
This is it.
No more live.
I love you guys.
Alright, bye. Love you all.